I'm going to do an example on page 83 for 6th grade, which is the homework that's due for Thursday. If you turn to page 83, you will see the problem, which says, Corey's savings is 1/3 of Shayna's savings. The question says, what is the ratio of Shayna's savings to Corey's savings? So the first thing I did was just put these names in different colors. Okay, so for example, I put Shayna's name in red and Corey's name in green, just so we can keep these people straight. If it says that Corey's savings is 1/3 of Shayna's savings, we know that Corey, for example, Corey is 1. That's the ratio, 1. And Shayna's ratio would be the number represented by the 3. Okay? Because Corey only has 1 out of every 3 that Shayna has. Okay? So that fraction just shows us our ratio. Let's draw a bar model to understand this. So we have Corey, which represents 1 bar, and we have Shayna, which I'm going to put in red, which represents 3 bars. So we have 1 bar, 2 bars, and 3 bars. You'll notice that these bars are the same length, or at least I tried to get them the same length. Okay? We also know that from the second part of the question, if Shayna saves $20 more than Corey, how much is their total savings? Well, we can figure that out by just saying that this $20 more of Shayna's represents these 2 extra bars right there. So those 2 bars represent $20. Okay? And if we take 20 divided by 2, because there's 2 bars, we know that that equals 10. So each one of these right here is 10. Sorry, my finger cannot get inside of that little gap right there very well, but that is 10. Okay? So if each one of those is 10, we know that each one of these is also 10 because the units are exactly the same. Okay? So let's look back at those questions. Question A says, what is the ratio of Shayna's savings to Corey's savings? Well, we already know that Shayna is 3 and Corey is 1. So we can just put 3, 2, those little dots right there, I don't know if you can see them, 2, 1. That 1 in green represents Corey. So there's our ratio. Okay? If it asks for a fraction, you would just put 3/1. Okay? And then the next question says, if Shayna saves $20 more than Corey, how much is their total savings? Well, then we just need to add up 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, right? All of these right here. All of those. We need to add up all those. Or we could just take 10 times, what? 4, because there's 4 units. 10 times 4 equals 40.